General Ronald Boto Calabaza.
Thank you, ma'am, for that very kind introduction. Sinsya na kayo, I make this quick para hindi kayo mabilang sa araw. The Senate Secretary, Mr. Edgardo B. Barbo, Senate Sergeant at Arms, General Jose Lahat, Deputy Secretaries, Officers and Secretariat, personnel of the Senate, the ABC President, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning o maayong buntag sa atong tanan. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me as your guest speaker in this morning's traditional Monday flag raising. I am not sure if I am the first Chief PNP to be invited as your guest speaker. First, but I think I am the first guest speaker that after gracing this flag raising occasion will be grilled by the Senate. I think I am the first one. And nagpapasalamat ako sa ating mga magigiting na kapwa lingkod bayan dito sa Senado sa pag-anyaya ninyo sa akin sa araw na ito. It is an honor to address you this morning, and I bring with me the cheers and good wishes of the men and women of the Philippine National Police. At the outset, I want to thank you for your expression of support to my stewardship of the PNP. Amidst the controversies and issues facing the PNP, the support of fellow public servants, especially from a truly prestigious and important institution as the Senate of the Philippines, is what gives me and the PNP leadership the strength and resolve to carry on with the job. Napakarami pong problema ang ating bansa at isa na dyan ang problema sa peace and order, lalo na sa paglaganap ng illegal na droga sa ating mga komunidad. Kaya naman po, puspusan ang pakikibaka ng inyong kapulisan laban sa mga drug personalities at pati na rin sa iba pang mga kriminal. I will, however, not go into the details or statistics as these are already all over the newspapers. But I just want to tell you that this campaign remains strong and relentless. When I assumed command over the PNP last July 1, I knew that I would be carrying a huge responsibility on my shoulders, this time on a national scale. Noong una, nag-alala ako na baka hindi natin makayanan ang bigat ng trabaho at mga panganib na kasama nito. Ngunit dahil sa ating mahal na Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, mismo ang nagtiwala sa atin at nagbigay ng lakas ng loob at inspirasyon sa ating mga pulis, sumabak tayo sa trabaho ito ng buong puso. Dahil sobrang talamak na ang illegal na droga at sawa na rin ang ating mga kababayan sa mga karahasan na dulot nito. Sumabak tayo sa labanang ito ng buong tapak. Dahil na rin sa tiwala at suporta ng karamihan sa ating mga kababayan sa adhikain ito. Sumabak ang buong kapulisan sa pagsuyod sa mga lansangan upang matugunan ang problemang ito. Ang lahat po ng aming ginagawa ay para sa sambayanan. We are waging this war against crime and illegal drugs for the parents like the rest of us, whose children are in danger of falling victim to crimes as they go about their daily lives. We are doing this for the youth of today so that they will not fall prey to the evils of illegal drugs and continue to live productive and successful lives. We are fighting this war for every citizen of this country so that we will all grow into responsible citizens capable of giving our share to national development and progress. So far, marami na po tayong tagumpay sa pakikibaka laban sa krimen at karahasan. But your police force will only be truly successful with the help of every member of the community. Sa ngayon, alam na natin na may mga bumabatikos sa ating mga ginagawa. There are criticisms along the way, but we are facing all this with open minds and clean hearts, even as we are willing to answer all allegations against us. We accept the fact that this is all part of the job. Kaya nga po, after this ceremony, I and my staff will be joining the Senate for a scheduled hearing in relation to the police operations we have been conducting against illegal drug personalities. We are facing this probe willingly and wholeheartedly. And as I have said, it is a most welcome probe as we have nothing to hide. Amidst all this, we continue with our mission to serve and protect the community. We have increased police visibility and patrol operations to keep criminals and lawless elements at bay and remove the fear of crime and violence in the hearts of our countrymen. At hindi rin naman po puro police operations against illegal drugs ang aming ginagawa. We continue to render other forms of police assistance to the public. Bukas po ang pintuan ng ating mga presinto sa sino mang nangangailangan ng police assistance. Lahat po tayo ay may responsibilidad at obligasyon sa bayan, lalo na tayong mga public servants. At kung tayo po ay magkaisa at magtulungan sa pagsulong ng mga adhikain para sa kapakanan at kabutihan ng lahat, magiging matagumpay ang ating paglilingkod. Along this line, I ask for your support and cooperation in our peace and order campaign. Crime prevention is, after all, everybody's campaign, everybody's business. Everybody has a stake in this campaign, and there is much that each of us can do in this endeavor. Bilang mga lingkod bayan, maging mabuting ihemplo po tayo sa ating mga kababayan. Iwasan natin ang masasamang bisyo, maging matulungin tayo sa ating kapwa, at maging marangal sa lahat ng gawain. At bilang mga public servants, magsilbi tayo ng buong katapatan at kahusayan. Yan po ang mahalagang maibigay natin sa ating mahal na bayan. Ang inyong kapulisan ay narito lang, naglilingkod sa inyo. Muli, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon ito na makasama tayo, makasama kayo. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
May we call on the Deputy Secretary for Legislation, Attorney Edwin Levin, to present this certificate of appreciation to General Rosa. May I read the certificate of appreciation? This certificate of appreciation is presented to General Ronald Bato M. De La Rosa, PNP Chief, in sincere appreciation and gratitude for the precious time and words of wisdom and inspiration he selflessly shared with the Secretariat of the Senate during its flag-raising ceremony on August 22, 2016 at the Senate of the Philippines Financial Center, Pasay City, given this 22nd day of August 2016, signed, Honorable Aquilino Coco Pimentel III, Senate President, attested by Attorney Eduardo B. Barbo, Senate Secretary.